Spring cleanup is right around the corner. When it begins, there's not very much time for downtime. With the workload ahead, you want the sweeping performance to be optimal with one pass efficiency. Here are a few tips to get your mechanical sweeper ready for spring. Replace the conveyor belt and rollers. Sweeping construction and millings will stretch the conveyor belt and wear out the rollers if there is no consistent adjustments. There is also the case of the belt being damaged due to large or awkward debris being picked up. It is necessary to replace the damaged part and have the conveyor working properly. Adjusting or replace the conveyor chains and sprockets. Picking up millings day in, day out will take a toll on the conveyor chains and the sprockets, often being damaged, both of them. Adjustments are necessary, however, it will require replacing the components before they come apart. Repair or replace the main broom side plates. The main broom side plates are the guides that direct the debris into the conveyor during the sweeping process. Of course, during sweeping and turning or going in and out the milling cuts, they bend and deform, causing trailing. Replacement would be the best way to restore performance. Replace or repair the curb brooms. The curb brooms on the regenerative air, as well as the mechanical sweepers, is a multi-motion assembly and very important part of the sweeping process. The constant use and sweeping adjustments wears out components vital to the proper daily operations. It is important to replace bushings, ball joints, and any other part that may seem bent or damaged. Service the hydraulic system. The hydraulic system should always be maintained according to the factory schedules. It is, however, very important to watch for contamination between the oil changes, as that can occur during heavy work schedules. Always check and replace valves, coils, or plugs that have been corroded and apply dielectric grease to prevent corrosion during the winter months. Besides optimal performance and uptime, these preventive maintenance tips offer your company or municipality a number of important benefits: prolonged equipment life, less unplanned downtime caused by failure, less unnecessary maintenance and inspections, improved reliability of equipment, fewer expensive repairs caused by unexpected equipment failure that must be fixed quickly. Spring cleanup is right around the corner, and so are the intense and grueling work schedules, which do not allow a lot of time to conduct detailed inspections and repairs in between shifts. Contact your local Schwartz dealer today to inquire about these common wear items. Don't be caught off guard this spring. Call your local Schwartz parts dealer or visit www.schwartz.com.